Hello everyone, welcome to TaskFino, your all-in-one office management software. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the payroll module of TaskFino works. So to open the payroll module, you have to click on payroll, and inside of this, you can see the policy, disbursement template, and the salary payslip. So at first you have to select the policies. Here are a lot of policies. If you have any employee which you want to pay the salary on recurring basis, it could be monthly salary or it could be 15 days, it could be 7 days. You just name the policy name and select the type of salary you want to pay. If it is monthly, select monthly, and if it is custom, then put the number of days for after how many days you want to generate the payslip for this employee. Just select and click on submit. The policy will be created. After that, here is the hourly work policy. So if you hire any employee based on hourly works, then you can create the policy for him. Just click on create and name, and after that you have to select for every 1 day how many work hours he can complete. If you want him to do 40 hours in 7 days, just select 7 here and here 40. So he have to work at least 40 hours in 7 days. Or you can make a policy like every day he have to work 6 hours. Okay, and if you want this time to be within a time range, then you can select it here when the check-in and check-out time will be. So the employee have to work within that time period. If he works out of the time period, that will not be calculated in the hourly work salary. Okay, now here is the salary. This is the structure of the salary. So you can name the salary policy, and after that you have to select how much is the basic, how much is the house rent, conveyance, medical, dearness allowance, and click on submit, and your policy will be created. After that, if you allow any project commission, you can select it here. You can just create the policy, just name it, choose what type of commission do you want to share. Is it a flat rate or is it a percentage? If it is percentage, what is the percentage rate? You select that and click submit, and the people who are in this policy, they will get the project commission automatically after calculation. If you provide any meal allowance to your employees, you can select the meal policy here. Just click on create, name the title, and then choose if it is a fixed amount, then put the fixed amount you provide every month, and if it is per head meal percentage, then you can put the percentage and the whole meal calculation will be done. And on the salary payslip you will see this policy is applied. And after that, if you want to pay the overtime to your employees, you can just create the overtime policy. Create the policy here for how many days, and for the working days, what is the amount of overtime, and for off days, if your overtime is different, you can select here and click on create, click on submit, and your overtime policy will be created. Next is the extra leave policy. If you want to deduct your employee's salary for every extra leaves. For example, if you have 25 days of allocated leave for the whole year, and if your employee assumes more than 25 leaves, then you can still create a policy for how many days of extra leave, what amount of salary will be deducted, and on which basis you will deduct the salary, on gross or basic. You can select it, and what will be the deduction type. Is it the current monthly salary or the average of the current year's monthly salary? You can select any one from here, and based on that the salary deduction will be done for the extra leaves. And after that, if you have any insurance, you can create the policy, and based on this policy the insurance will be deducted from the salary. Same things work for provident fund. If you have any provident fund, you can create the policy and apply it on the employees. So what amount will be paid by the employee and what amount will be paid by the employer, and a number of months, for how many months this provident fund will run. You can select all these policies and create and submit, and the policy will be created. So after that, the festival bonus, if you want to offer festival bonus to your employees, you can easily create the policy from here. Just name the policy, choose what type of bonus do you want to give. If it is a flat amount, just select flat and put the amount. If it is a percentage, then just put the percentage here, and your salary calculation will be done automatically based on this. After that, if there is any fine, you can put it here. There are several types of fine in different offices, so you can click on create and create the fine, and when the payslip is generated, you can apply the fine on the designated employee. And after that, if there is any late entry fine for in your office, you can create it here for how many days of delay, what type of salary do you want to deduct. You can make it here and click on submit, and the salary deduction will be done based on the attendance report and the late fine calculation. Okay, then the tax calculation, this is very interesting. You have to add your tax calculation instruction here. It could be a PDF. You can generate just a PDF or Word file, just upload it here, click on submit, and the whole tax calculation will be based on this. We make it through AI, so AI will do the whole tax calculation, and we found it is almost 99 to 100% correct calculation for every country. We made it this way because from any country you can use it. Just upload your income tax calculation policy and the system will calculate the income tax based on this. Okay, and when all your policy setup is done, then you have to go to the disbursement template. So this is for the bank. If you want to submit your salary instruction to bank, you can just name it. If you want, you can make this template the default template and put the template here. Here you can use this type of placeholder for the amount or in words, everything. In that case, the whole when you generate the salary, the disbursement template will be generated. You can download it, print it, and send it to your bank for the salary disbursement. Okay, and after that, here is the salary pay slip. You can select the department, or you can create all employees' salary all at once. Just click on generate payslip and the payslip will be generated. And if you want to create the payslip for an individual employee, you can just create it from here. Just select the name and click on generate payslip and the payslip will be generated. And here we have already generated some payslip. I will show you how the payslip actually looks like. So click on show, and here you are seeing that the basic information is here, and after that, after the calculations, all the policies are applied here. And if it is okay, you can just click on save and it will be saved as the final salary payslip for this particular employee. If we go back, you can see here's another very interesting part, that is Excel view. If you click on the Excel view, you will see the salary calculation of that employee on an Excel view, spreadsheet view actually. And if you think this should be changed, just click on here and it will take you to the to that employee's, that portion, and you can make changes here and click on save. It will be saved for this employee and will affect here. This way you can easily make all the salary calculation and everything from here. And when your salary calculation is done for the final version, you can just download it from here. It will download a PDF file. Okay, you can see the salary pay slip here, and the calculation and everything is here. So based on this, you can easily send the salary pay slip to your employees. This is all about the TaskFino payroll module. So you can use this payroll module to automate the salary disbursement system of your office, and all the salary pay slips will be generated and delivered to your employee's email address. This is very cool and this is very useful. Once you start using this payroll system, all your manual works will gone and you will be able to generate the pay slip and disburse the salary within clicks. Thank you.